Hey everyone, my name is Annabelle, and today I'll be talking with you about indoor composting with a worm bin. We're going to go over a few things, including what's in this box, what compost is, who are decomposers, and what we can put in the worm bin to be composted. This is our worm bin that we use for indoor composting, and inside we have 1 pound of red wiggler worms, food scraps, strips of moist newspaper, and fresh compost that the worms have produced. What is compost? Compost is organic matter that has been decomposed into a soil-like substance. And this substance is really rich in nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And this is what is being created in our box by our decomposers, who are the worms. Decomposers are organisms that break down dead or decaying plants and animals. What can we put in our worm bin? So we actually feed our worms mostly fruit and vegetable scraps, but they also like to eat coffee grounds, paper tea bags, and eggshells, and sometimes we'll throw in some grass clippings or household plants. They also like to eat dried flowers. Any plant material really will work for them because then they can break all of that down into our compost, but we do not feed them meat or dairy products or anything that has been cooked in oil. But once the worms eat up all the plant material, they will then poop out castings, which is then our compost. After around 3 months, you'll start to see your compost forming towards the bottom of the bin, and this is all the dark material you see here. You can then take that compost out of the bin and use it as soil to grow new plants. Thank you so much for listening today and learning about indoor composting with a worm bin.